Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Fresh from the Trollbox, the BitMEX Trader podcast. Today is episode number 7. Hi, Stefan. How are you doing? You got wrecked last night, apparently.
Yeah, hi Uzi. Yeah, I got wrecked last night. You saw the Bitcoin price movement up, down. So lots of or plenty of opportunity to get either liquidated or stopped out. But good pricing action, actually. A lot of opportunity to trade, which was the whole week, right? I mean, we continue the upside of Bitcoin, which is I would say, very slow but continuous upside trend, which allows you to trade up and down all the time. I assume that will continue for a while, but during that process, as we've seen last night, you see a lot of spikes in there because every small movement will lead to exuberance or over exaggerating of the trends because everyone's looking mainly at technical analysis right now. So if you have an upside trend that goes longer than expected, everyone jumps on, and then the same stuff happens on the way down. But I guess somewhere we will now approach up from 35 to hopefully 45K. Well, I said hopefully before Christmas.
Very interesting. Yeah. Very exciting week for sure. Looking forward to more weeks like this, pre-Christmas. Guess worth also to mention, trading volumes are back at higher levels, right? BitMEX scratching at close to 2 billion on a daily basis. Very nice. How did you see ETH? This was an interesting week for ETH too, not just Bitcoin.
Yeah, I mean, ETH finally catching up. What you have seen is that ETH was comparatively weak against Bitcoin, right? So we're quite huge Bitcoin dominance. And basically what we saw now is a catch-up of ETH, which for me is a natural one. We don't have a bull run right now. We all expect it. We all hope for it. But what usually happens is you start with the most safe and the most secure and clear asset, which is Bitcoin. We've seen that. Now ETH is coming back because it's distributing and coordination of distributed computing power as well as smart contracts. I guess thereafter we will talk about use cases and upward trends for identity tokens and for governance tokens as well. So if you run a DAO, etc., I already see that coming. Probably not before Christmas, but it's the usual way of things going down in such a positive market environment that we all hope for, that will be there for 2024.
Nice. So more use cases, kind of giving the networks more strength, giving the networks more utility. Do we see more people trading too currently?
Yes, absolutely. I mean, I can speak for BitMEX, but I look at other platforms as well. What you see is not just the volumes going up, but slowly but surely people coming either newly into crypto, which is fueling the hope for the next run over 2024. But as well, many long-standing OGs are back and showing significant trading volumes, right? This is true on BitMEX. I would say based on the volumes we've seen in the last weeks, it's true for other platforms as well. And the good thing is it's actually underlying directional volume and not just market makers trading there basically non-directionally. So we see directional traders coming back, which is good. We see that as well in Trollbox activity. I mean, yesterday, of course, but anyway, increasing activity on Trollbox at BitMEX, which means people love to trade, people love even to gossip. So if you look out for news, gossip, whatever it is, come into the BitMEX Trollbox. That's quite cool. And we try to incentivize this. So for example, we're rolling out a nice webinar on next Monday to help traders become better algo traders. So how to use bots to automate your strategies, right? So how do you build it? How do you integrate? What offers or service providers to use there? And not to forget, tomorrow, 11th of November, is Singles Day in China and carnivals in Europe. So jesters are welcome, and we will have special offers to come for our traders. I guess, Uzi, that's what you're up to, right, for the next days?
Yeah, indeed. We're going to celebrate a big Singles Day in BitMEX. So anybody that hasn't been with BitMEX or that felt a little bit alone, please come back. We'll see you here. We've got great offers for you, as well as in parts of the world, Carnival is just kicking off. And then we'll look forward to another exciting week next week with the markets coming closer to 40K and kind of staying stable above 2,000 for ETH, I guess.
Yeah. So stay long.
Stay long. Thank you very much, Stefan. Have a great weekend.
Have a great weekend. Bye.